Finding the perfect pair of earbuds can completely change the way you enjoy music, movies, calls, and even your daily commute. In this video from TechFact, we've selected the top 5 best active noise canceling earbuds in 2026 based on sound quality, noise cancellation, comfort, battery life, smart features, and overall value. Whether you're a traveler, gamer, fitness enthusiast, or someone who simply loves great audio, there's an option here for you. Stay until the end, because our final picks might surprise you. And one model includes a feature that most competitors still don't offer. If you enjoyed discovering the latest tech before everyone else, tap subscribe, leave a like, and tell us in the comments which earbuds you choose. Now, let's jump straight into this year's top picks. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro deliver a refined combination of premium audio, intelligent features, and everyday comfort for Android users, especially those within the Samsung ecosystem. They provide powerful bass, detailed vocals, and clean high frequencies, creating an enjoyable listening experience across different music genres. Active noise cancellation effectively minimizes surrounding noise, while allowing transparency mode to reproduce external sounds naturally whenever needed. The lightweight ergonomic design stays comfortable during long listening sessions, and the water-resistant construction adds confidence for workouts and outdoor activities. Battery life supports all-day use with additional charging from the compact carrying case. Bluetooth connectivity remains stable, and switching between compatible Samsung devices is fast and seamless. Call quality is consistently clear because advanced microphones reduce wind and background noise during conversations. The companion app offers useful customization options for controls and sound preferences. The standout feature is Samsung's seamless codec support, which delivers high-quality wireless audio with compatible Galaxy devices, providing richer detail and lower latency than standard Bluetooth streaming. Number 4. JBL Tour Pro 3. The JBL Tour Pro 3 combines premium sound, advanced technology, and impressive versatility in a feature-packed design. These earbuds produce energetic audio with deep bass, clear vocals, and detailed treble that works well for music, movies, and gaming. Adaptive active noise cancellation automatically responds to changes in your environment, helping reduce unwanted distractions while maintaining natural sound quality. The earbuds fit comfortably for extended use, and the durable build makes them suitable for everyday activities. Battery life is excellent, allowing long listening sessions before needing a recharge. Bluetooth multipoint enables effortless switching between multiple connected devices, while the companion app offers detailed equalizer controls and personalized sound settings. Voice call performance is reliable thanks to multiple microphones that help isolate your voice from surrounding noise. The charging case is compact, modern, and easy to use throughout the day. Its biggest advantage over competitors is the smart charging case with a built-in touchscreen, allowing users to control playback, settings, notifications, and more directly from the case without reaching for a smartphone. Number 3. Apple AirPods Pro 3. The Apple AirPods Pro 3 are an outstanding choice for Apple users looking for premium sound, comfort, and intelligent features in one package. They deliver balanced audio with deep bass, detailed mids, and sparkling highs, while automatically adapting to different types of content. Active noise cancellation is highly effective, reducing surrounding distractions whether you are commuting, working, or relaxing at home. Transparency mode sounds exceptionally natural, allowing conversations without removing the earbuds. The lightweight design provides excellent comfort throughout the day, while the IP54 rating adds resistance against dust, sweat, and light rain. Battery life easily covers daily listening, and the charging case supports wireless charging for extra convenience. Pairing with Apple devices is almost instant, and automatic device switching keeps everything seamless across the Apple ecosystem. Call quality remains consistently clear with advanced voice processing technology. The unique feature that makes these earbuds stand out is adaptive audio, which intelligently blends noise cancellation and transparency according to your surroundings, giving the perfect listening experience without constant manual adjustments. Number 2. Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds 2nd Generation. The Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, 2nd Gen, continue Bose's reputation for delivering some of the strongest active noise cancellation available. They block everything from airplane engines to office chatter with remarkable consistency, creating a peaceful environment wherever you are. Audio is clear, warm, and full, offering impressive detail without becoming harsh at higher volumes. The secure ear tips provide lasting comfort for extended listening sessions, and the earbuds stay firmly in place during everyday movement. Touch controls are responsive, while Bluetooth multipoint makes switching between devices smooth and reliable. Voice calls remain clear because the microphone system focuses on your voice even in noisy surroundings. Battery performance comfortably supports daily use, and the compact charging case adds extra power while remaining easy to carry. The Bose app allows simple control over listening modes and sound preferences. The feature that truly separates these earbuds from competitors is Bose Immersive Audio, creating a spacious three-dimensional listening experience that makes music and movies feel more natural and engaging than standard stereo playback. Number 1. Bose and Wilkins Pi8. The Bose and Wilkins Pi8 is built for listeners who care as much about sound quality as premium design. These earbuds deliver a rich and detailed listening experience with deep bass, natural vocals, and crisp highs that stay balanced across every genre. The adaptive active noise cancellation reduces everyday distractions without making music feel artificial, while the transparency mode lets outside sounds in naturally whenever needed. The compact charging case feels luxurious and supports wireless charging for added convenience. Battery life easily handles long listening sessions, and the comfortable fit makes the Pi 8 suitable for work, travel, or daily use. Bluetooth multipoint allows quick switching between compatible devices, making multitasking effortless. The companion app provides sound customization and firmware updates to keep performance at its best. Call quality is also excellent thanks to advanced microphones that reduce background noise. Its standout feature is the wireless audio retransmission charging case, which can connect to devices through USB-C or a 3.5mm cable and stream audio directly to the earbuds, giving older devices modern wireless capability. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best active noise canceling earbuds in 2026. Every model here offers something unique, so the right choice depends on your budget, favorite features, and listening style. We'd love to know which earbuds impressed you the most, so share your pick in the comments below. If this video helped you discover your next upgrade, give it a like and subscribe to Tech Fact for more honest tech rankings, product reviews, and the latest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.